Hello everyone. Today we will do equation of continuity. Equation of continuity says if any liquid is flowing in a pipe which is a variable cross-sectional area. Suppose this is a pipe through which liquid is flowing. Okay. So whenever liquid is flowing through such a pipe where the area is variable. See here, here the area is A1 which is more and here is area A2. Suppose at this point speed is V1, at this point speed is V2. According to equation of continuity, product of area of cross section, okay, the product of area of cross section to the speed of the flow of the liquid means A1 V1 remains constant. So A1 V1 will be equal to A2 V2 and this remains constant. This is the equation of continuity. So we are supposed to prove it in exam. So let us see, it's a very small derivation. So watch it carefully. So what happens is when the liquid is entering here. So suppose in time del t, suppose the time duration is del t. So in time duration only, this time duration only, I want to observe how much liquid is entering and how much liquid is coming out of the pipe. Okay. So whatever amount is entering, the same amount of liquid should come out within same time. Suppose I am doing observation for 1 second. So in 1 second, suppose 2 liter of water entered. Same 2 liter of water should come out within that 1 second. Otherwise, what will happen? Otherwise, if suppose 2 liter of water entered and only 1 liter of water came out in that 1 second, so what will happen? That extra water will get stored in the middle of the pipe and the pipe does not have that much of capacity and the pipe may get burst, right? To avoid that, whatever water amount entered here, the same amount of water has to come out, correct? That we know. Okay, so we know this basic knowledge. Within a given duration, whatever water entered, same amount of water will come out. So let me write down water entered. So let me see how much water entered. So water entered will be volume into density. Correct? This is how we write mass is equal to volume into density. So what is the volume? For del t time, what is the volume? Suppose water moved only this much. Okay. So how much it will move in del t time? Water will move V1 into del t. Correct? Because see del x, the movement will happen speed into time. Correct? Speed into time. So what is the del x? How much it moved is nothing but speed is v1 and time is del t. So this much it moved and the area of this portion is a1. Okay. So what will be the volume? Volume is nothing but area into displacement. Okay. And this is the density of the liquid. Okay. What is d here? Density. So area is a1. Okay, so this is the del x value. It will be A1 del x is V1 del T into density. Okay, so this is the water which is entering at point 1. Let me call it at 1. Now let us see how much water will come out at point 2. So how much water will come out within same time? So distance traveled del x will be distance traveled will be velocity into time within this duration. Okay, so velocity is v2 at this point we are observing and time duration is del t. So this is the distance traveled. So I can consider this is a mini, I can consider this is like a mini cylinder here, correct? Just like I considered a mini cylinder here and volume was the area into distance. So similarly here the water coming out will be how much? coming out will be volume into density. And volume is nothing but area, which is A2, into the distance traveled, which is del x2. Let me call it del x2. Okay. Del x2 into density. Perfect. So this is nothing but A2. What is del x2? Is V2 del T into density. This is the density of the water. So if we look at the logic, whatever is the water is entering is this, and water coming out is this. So can I say entering amount of water is equal to exiting from the pipe, because the pipe is same within the same duration. These two should be same. So I can write A1 V1 del T into T will be equal to A2 V2 del T into D. Perfect. 1 is equal to 2. So what do you think is cancelling? I think del T is cancelling, and the density, this is the density. So D and D is cancelling. So what we are getting here is A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2. And this is nothing but constant. Okay? So this is only known as the law of continuity, and which is important formula for solving numericals. Okay, so see here what is the meaning of letters. The letters that we used in this formula: A is for area, cross-sectional area; V is the speed of the liquid; del T we use the time duration over which we did the observation; and D is the density of the fluid which is flowing in the pipe. See you next video. Bye everyone.